Hello guys, yesterday I booked my Bookmyforex multi-forex card, which is issued by Yes Bank. And today one delivery executive come to my home and handed over this package to me, and he asked me to sign some form and took my passport, some photos of my passport front and back. So when you apply, you have to keep your passport and you have to be present on that delivery address. So it, this package, I actually opened this package because of security reasons, but this is sealed when I receive it. But when you uh, when you receive, it will be seal packed. So if it is not seal packed, then you shouldn't take it, because it might be possibility, there is high possibility that this package, the details of your card might be misused, maybe misused by someone. Okay, so it has to be seal packed. So here we have this Forex card and this Bookmyforex, your perfect travel companion inside. Okay, so what is inside. So there are some instructions given. Dear traveler, welcome to Bookmyforex family, and there are some steps given you need to follow in order to reload and unload. Okay, so here we have the features given, and wow, here we have the welcome to Bookmyforex family, and we have this, I think, this security pin or something we have given. So I already opened my package and hide my details, card details, for privacy reasons. So this is how card looks like. This is how card look like. So you can see it is contactless card. It has magnetic strip, and this is the back side of the card. And this is the front side. So here we have the card, and now you have to download your Bookmyforex. So after you receiving this package, your money that you load in your card will be loaded after I think 12 hours or something, and then you have to download this app, by scanning this app, and you have to activate the Bookmyforex card. So next I will show you how to activate your Bookmyforex card. So this is the unboxing of the Bookmyforex card. Okay, so special welcome offer for you. Okay.